Linking your credit card to QuickBooks Online in 2025 is all about simplifying your bookkeeping. This process involves connecting your credit card account directly to QBO to automatically import transactions. This feed of data saves time and reduces manual data entry. To link your account, navigate to the Banking or Transactions menu in QBO and select Link Account. You'll then be prompted to enter your credit card login credentials or use a secure OAuth connection. QBO supports over 15,000 financial institutions, including major credit card issuers like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Multi-factor authentication is now mandatory for enhanced security. After linking, QBO pulls in debits, charges, and credits, payments, refunds from your credit card statement automatically. Remember to carefully select whether the card is for personal or business use to avoid mixing expenses. Once your credit card is linked, QBO imports transactions for you to reconcile. Reconciliation means matching the transactions in QBO with your credit card statement to ensure accuracy. QBO's AI automatically categorizes transactions based on rules and learned patterns, but you can edit these categories if needed. Aim to reconcile your accounts monthly to catch any errors. Automated reconciliation uses rules based on date ranges and amounts to match most transactions. Manually review any unmatched items. Features like automatic categorization save time, up to 4 hours a month. While AI is helpful, remember to double-check the categorization as errors can occur, especially with complex transactions. Intuit reports AI achieves 92% categorization accuracy, but human oversight is still crucial for 5 to 10% of transactions. This process ensures accurate financial reports and efficient cash flow management.